Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup ClickUp spaces and list templates, full guide step by step clearly. To backup ClickUp spaces and list templates, begin by logging into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the space you want to backup. Click on the space settings icon located in the top right corner. Select the settings option from the drop-down menu. In the settings panel, look for the templates section. Click on templates to access your list templates. Choose the specific list template you wish to backup. Click on the three-dot menu next to the template name. Select Export from the options that appear. The template will be downloaded as a JSON file to your device. Next, to backup the entire space, return to the space settings. Look for the space section within the settings panel. Select Export Space to initiate the process. Choose the format you prefer for the space export. Confirm your selection, and the backup will begin processing. Once completed, the backup file will download to your device. Ensure you store these files in a safe location for future access. Repeat this process for any additional spaces you need to backup. With these steps, you've successfully backed up your ClickUp spaces and list templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.